I am Alina S.B. Galarzo. Today is June 11th, 2020. Here are my structures, and I'm going to show the sheep kidney. Put it written down. So first, I'm just going to show you my kidney. Okay, and how I dissected it. You can see it from this side and from this side. This is how I dissected it. Okay. So I'll start with showing the layers. This is the outside, the cortex of the kidney. And then in between there, you can see the medulla. There's this whole gray matter here. Okay, and in the medulla, you can see on both sides. The medulla here, and the cortex up here. And then in between there, the pyramids. You can see here, these are the pyramids of the kidney, and the little columns that are on both sides, and they just sit in between the kidneys. And then up here have the renal hilum, which is the top portion of both sides, the renal hilum. And then underneath the renal hilum, on the bottom, is the renal sinus, where my fingers are. So the renal sinus is down here on both sides. And then the renal calces, those are like down here. They can also be up here. There's these little lines in here. And you have them on both sides of the kidney. And then the renal pelvis is this white matter that's in between here. So the renal pelvis on this side, and the renal pelvis on this side as well. It's this white matter that's right here. And then the ureter, I'll show you on this side. So this is the ureter, and it's in between both sides of the kidney. It's this part right here. So it's just holding them together, and you can see it on this side as well. This is the ureter, this whole section. And that's my kidney. This is it. On this side, there it is. Thank you.